Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2003. The given question is a single tape Turing machine M has two states Q0 and Q1. Okay, of which Q1 is the start state. Okay, so the tape alphabet of M are 0, 1 comma b. Okay, and its input symbols are 0 comma 1. Okay, so the symbol b is the blank symbol to indicate the end of the input string. Nice. The transition function of m described in the table. Okay, so we'll draw the Turing machine, guys, so don't worry. So the entry q1 comma 1 comma r in row q0 and in column 1. Okay, 1 signifies that if m is the state of q node and 1 is the input on the current tape sequence, then it writes 1 on the same tape square, now moving the head towards the right. Yes, so the exact appearance is exactly as per our understanding only, right? Yes, so now they are asking which of the following statement is true. Okay, so they are asking what is that Turing machine doing, right? Yes. Okay, so for easy understanding, let us first draw this Turing machine, guys. Okay, so Q node, and that is our start symbol, and we are moving to Q1. Okay, yes. Okay, so when it comes to Q1, okay, yes. So when it comes to Q1 from Q node, if 0 is the input, we will go to Q1. Okay, and we will replace, in place of 0 I will write 1 and I will move towards right. Okay, from Q node, if 1 is the input, I will go to Q1. In place of 1, I will write 1 only and I will move right. Okay, and if I get a blank, I am going to halt. Okay, similarly moving on, if from Q1, okay, so from Q1, okay, if so from Q1, if we get 0, we are going to stay here only. Okay, and on that 0 I am going to write 1 and I am going to move right. Okay, and when I get 1 here, I am going to come back here 1 and I will replace that 1 with 1 and I will move left. Okay, and here if I get a blank, okay, I am going to go to, if I get a blank, I am going to replace it with a blank and I will move left. Okay, so this thing seems to be a bit different, and they did not clearly say that. Okay, and clearly they did not say that whether it is whether which is a final state, right? Yes, or did I miss anything here? So I think most probably Q1 will be the final state, right? Yes, because they clearly told that Q0 is the start state and they did not talk anything about Q1, right? So let me recheck the question. Only two states are there where Q0 is the start state. They talked about the tape input symbols, about B they have talked, and they have talked about that. So most probably Q1 will be the final state, guys. Okay, so based on this simple understanding, what we can conclude here, guys, okay, so the thing which I can conclude here is so we are not going to accept epsilon, right? Okay, so for sure we are not accepting epsilon, right? Yes, so then option B will be wrong, right? Because option B in the smallest string is epsilon, right? Yes, and when it comes to option A says either 0 or 1. So if I get 0 or 1, I will go here. So that's absolutely true. So there's no issue according to me here, right? Yes. Okay, yes. So from Q node, if I get a blank, I'm going to halt. Okay, yes. Okay, so let us start, guys. Okay, so option C says that on all strings ending with 0, and option D says that all strings ending with 1. Okay, okay, so option C and D are talking about halt, and option A is talking about does not halt, right? Yes. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so let us start, guys. Okay, so when we are trying to check option A, we need to take any kind of a string, right? Yes, so what shall we take? So 0 plus 1 whole plus, that is nothing but positive closure. So let me take a 00, guys. So if I take a 00, what is my case? So I will move from here to here. Okay, so and I will convert this 0 to 1. Okay, so again I'm going to convert this 0 also to 1, and I will move right again. I'm going to find my blank symbol, so I will convert that blank to blank and my thing is done, right? Yes. Okay, so let me observe here carefully. So once we get a blank, again I will move towards left, right? Okay, so now what I will do, again I will come to here. So from 1 I will replace it with 1 and I will move towards right. So now I will again get black. Okay, so basically it is going to go into an infinite loop, right? Yes, so I think there is no chance of halting here, right? Yes, so now let us check option C and D. So option C and D says M halts on all strings with 0 0. So here it is 0 0, but did it halt? No. So hence this option is also wrong. So if my input is 1 1, so what is this, guys? So this is another input 1 1 blank, guys, right? Yes. So here also it is in the same loop. So this is also false. So most probably A will be the correct answer, guys. Because if we take epsilon as our string, so that is nothing but single blank. So at that time it is going to come here and it is going to halt. So that is the major reason why this option is wrong. So I think everyone now got a clear idea, right? Yes. So this is a quite easy question, right? Yes. Okay. So basically the thing is this is an infinite loop, guys. So if you are having any string other than epsilon, it will stay in that loop only, because once this thing moves to right, so when you are going from Q0 to Q1, you will move right, and whenever you come back Q1 to Q0, you are moving left. So indirectly you will move left as you go on, right? Yes. So indirectly you will be in that loop only forever, right? Yes. So there is no chance that it is going to halt at any moment of time. If your input is only epsilon, like your input is blank symbol, so at that time you are going to halt, right? Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea. This is really a smart question, right? Yes. Okay. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.